Aslan viewers, my name is Girewala. I am 13 years old. I am from Lahore, Pakistan. I am a student at Class 41 and Academy Level 1. So it is my another TEDx view. So let's start. Speaker name Mark Abrahams. Key ideas. Think fast and speak smart. You don't need perfect preparation to speak well. Use four-step know for approach, advance, structure, and context. These help you respond quickly and confidently. You have about 4 seconds to make it impression. First impression matter. Tips for speaking. Be clear and concise. Avoid long complex sentences. Be education. Let your personality come out. Practice help. The more you speak, the better you get over time. Why it matters? Most people feel nervous, bored, unsure when talking. Abraham's shows how to manage that fear, perform under pressure. But further, it is meeting fast or conversation. These techniques help you sound more confident and personal. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.